To apply a promo code on Vestiaire Collective, start by opening your web browser and typing in the website's URL. Click on the website to access it, and you'll see a search bar, the Vestiaire Collective logo, and sign in and sign up options. Create an account or log in by clicking on the sign up option and entering your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see various options such as selling an item, viewing your profile, favorites, notifications, and the shopping bag. To apply a promo code, browse through the products, and when you find one you like, you can add it to your bag or make an offer. Before applying the promo code, make sure you've added your shipping address. Then, click on the price details section, where you'll see an option to add a promo code. Type in the promo code you have, and it will reduce the price accordingly. Once you've applied the promo code, you can complete your purchase. If you need further assistance or have questions, you can refer to the website's resources or seek help from customer support. By following these steps, you can easily apply a promo code on Vestiaire Collective and enjoy discounts on your purchases.